This 2016 Buick Cascada Premium is the perfect combination of style and performance. With a 1.6-liter four-cylinder turbo engine and automatic transmission, this car is ready for any adventure. The gorgeous black exterior will turn heads, while the spacious interior boasts plenty of room for passengers. With only 75,661 miles, this car has been well-maintained and is ready for its next owner. Come visit us at Autogals in Fall River, Mass. or Swansea, Mass. to test drive this stunning vehicle today. See it today at Autogals in Fall River or Swansea.